Hello, my good people. Good morning, good evening, from wherever you're watching from. Welcome to Damaris Winter Official Channel. Guys, I have changed my channel from Diva Mara Official to Damaris Winter Official. So today, guys, I'm going to teach you how to cook kabuli, pilau, rice in Gulf countries. So if you are housemaid, if you are a domestic worker in Middle East, you should watch this video. So this is the simple way of how to cook kabuli rice and the mishpat. So guys, stay tuned. Don't skip the channel. Watch until the end. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Just tap that button so whenever I post the video, you'll be the first one to see the video. So guys, if you're turning subscriber, thank you for coming to watch my video. I'm not taking it for granted. I have my rice, I have my tomato, I have my carrot, I have everything. So stay tuned. Hello, my good people. Good morning, good evening, from wherever you're watching from. Welcome to my today's video. This is how to cook kabuli rice in Middle East in Arabic. So for those one who looking for the video how to cook kabuli rice, this is the process how you cook the kabuli rice. Guys, I'm going to change my name due to some reasons, and I will do the video of going live and explain why I'm going to change my name from Diva Mora Official to Damaris Winter Official. Okay, so guys, consider subscribing, like my video, share to the family and friends. So as I was saying, I'm going to teach you how to cook kabuli rice, and this I have only 3 steps. So stay tuned, don't skip the channel. This is how we do it. You will put your oil in the things like this. After then, you just slice your onions. You start cooking the way I'm cooking like this. You put your garlic. You keep cooking. So let us wait for our onion to be brown. From there, we are going to add the tomatoes. Yeah, you can see the things I'm going to use. I have tomatoes, I have carrots, I have some spice here. So stay tuned. Let me teach you how to cook kabuli rice in Middle East. Very simple and delicious. So my good people, you can see my onion is now brown, red, whenever you can call it, just name it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add carrot. So this is my carrot I have already picked. I'm going to put it. After putting my carrot, I'm going to do like this. Mix. Remember, this is the simple way I'm teaching you how to cook kabuli in Oman. So this is the first step, and we have 3 steps, so stay tuned, don't skip. So from there, I'm going to close like this, okay, and give it some time to be cooked. And you can see here I have the meat, which I'm going to use to eat with it the rice we are cooking. So stay tuned, don't skip the channel. And this is the water I'm going to use to cook this rice. So whenever you want to cook rice, make sure you boil the water to be ready. Yes, my good people. So my good people, after there, we are going to add the tomatoes. Is right here with me. You see? Yeah. And you can add with this. In our language we call it oho. I don't know in your language how you call it. You see? So let us give it time to be cooked. And remember, the water is boiling. And our rice is right here waiting for us, and we have the spicy. So guys, this is the second step. Stay tuned, don't skip the channel. So my good people, you can see how it looks. I'm going to mix well like this. From there, I'm going to start putting spicy. Remember, this is the second step, so this is salt. Oh God, I think that is enough for now. Yeah, from there we will see the way forward. This is turmeric powder. I'm going to put it. You see, my good people, this is turmeric powder. Finish. You see? Finish. The next thing I'm going to put is this. Is a spice for rice. Yeah, so you can use your spice you like. So this is I'm going to put. So I'm mixing. I wanna put black pepper. Black pepper. Yes. Oh guys, I have here coriander. Let me show you the coriander. You see? This one I'm going to put the top of it. So my good people, it's time to put rice. Yes. And now we are going to mix it. Well. Mix. And then we are going to put water. And we wait for it to be cooked. So stay tuned. Let us check the rice. Wow. You see my good people? So, if you need a chef to cook for you, just hire me. Just hire me. I like it. I like it so much. You see? So that is how it should be. Now it is ready to be served. Okay? Thank you for coming to watch. Keep supporting me, keep subscribing, like, share and comment with the family and friends. I'm not taking it for granted. Here is me. Let me show you my things I was putting. So my good people. Bye.